Hey everybody, I'm Ben Gromicko from InternetG. I'm going to show you how you can get Google reviews for your home inspection business through your website. Now, if you don't have a website, go to natchi.org/website and get a website. And when you get a website through InternetG's official vendor for website designs, you'll get your own Wix account. And you can hire your designer to do all this work, or you can follow along and I'll show you how to do it. It's pretty easy. You log into your website. My website's Big Ben Inspections, inspectorwebsitebuilder.com, built mine. And then you go into marketing and SEO and you scroll over to Google Business Profile. Log in, marketing, SEO, Google Business Profile. And you're going to connect your Google Business Profile to your Wix account where your website was designed. Once you do that, this thing pops up. It's very nice. It says verified. So you go through the process of getting a Google Business Profile. Your designer can help you with that. And then when you do this, connect your Wix to your Google Business Profile, you go see your profile on Google. So you can do a little view your Google search, right? This is me. This is my buttons that Google provides me to manage my Google Business Profile online. I can scroll down and take a look at all the information here, and this is what I want. This button that says Get Reviews. I need to get my reviews from my clients and put a button on my web page. I click that and I get the link. This is what Google provides me as a home inspector to send to my clients, or my clients will click that link. I can send that link through an email, through a text, through my website. I'll show you what to do on my website. So I'm going to copy this link, okay? And now I go back into my website and I'm going to edit my website, or just ask your designer to do it. Okay, I'm gonna put a Google review link right here in my header. How do I do that? Pretty easy. I'm gonna add a button. I'm gonna get this button here and I'm gonna drag it right into the header. And it's gonna say, leave a review, right? So leave a review. And then I'm gonna add a link, and it's that link that I got from Google. Paste it right in there, and it's going to open up in a new window. And let's see, I kind of like this a little bit bigger. And then, right, that looks pretty good. Maybe like red. What's my color here? Or orange. So I'll do a little, something colorful. How about, yeah, that red. That looks good. Okay, and then I hit publish. And let's take a look at my site, Big Ben Inspections. Now my clients can leave a review. They click it, boom. And they're gonna say, Big Ben Inspections is one of the best home inspectors in Raleigh, North Carolina. It's so easy to add a button on your home inspector website to get Google reviews. Hire inspectorwebsitebuilder.com to design your website and get more Google reviews for your business.